Go look for her. Where is she? Hey, Grandma, where are you?
Grandma, where are you?
Oh, man.
Where's Grandma?
That's an Amish guy, not Grandma. Where is she? I see an Amish lady, but that's not Grandma. Let's see. Where is she? Is she down there or down here? Which way do you think she is? That's not her. Where is he? Grandma. Oh, she's down there. I see her. I see her. There she is. You see her?
Yeah.
Say, wait here. Wait here. Oh. Say, Grandma.
We're over here!
Grandma.
We're over here!
I think she sees you. She's sure smiling.
Grandma!
Grandma! Oh, we found her. Yay!
Grandma!
Yay! There she is. Oh. Okay.